Hey guys, this is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. Welcome back to the Barndo channel. We're out here at beautiful Lake Cherokee here in Henderson, Texas, between Henderson and Longview, Texas. And we're out here at a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage that I absolutely love. I'm super excited to get this video out to you guys today. We're gonna take a look inside and show you how the bottom floor here is basically living and kitchen area. And then upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms ready to go in there. This house, we have labeled this house as the Cherokee. You have seen this before on our channel, but now we're gonna show you the finished product. So we're gonna take a walk over here and we're gonna head over, and you can see the lake side of this home is absolutely gorgeous. You've got 2 layers here, or 2 levels of decking coming off the top. We've got a steel frame deck on the top. We've got a concrete floor on the bottom, but we've got wood plank on the second level. But as you can see, that second level up there, which we'll show you in a minute, that is the master bedroom that you can see with those French doors coming out. We've got fans on both levels, just a beautiful outdoor patio. And we can see here, as we stop here at the door, you can see we've got an absolutely beautiful view that we'll show you here in just a second. As you step out of here, we look out, we've got our boathouse here ready to go. And then we've got just an absolutely beautiful view out on the Lake Cherokee. So let's step inside here and give you guys a tour of the Cherokee Barndominium. As you step inside here, we can see it's absolutely stunning inside. We've got the living area and kitchen all inside here. And there are a couple of features that we want to point out here that are unique to this build that aren't necessarily what we would consider standard. It's some of the things like we always talk about. We give our homeowners the option here to customize their home. We're not cookie cutter in any way. And so we've got some things that the homeowner has chosen here that are really unique to this build. So I'm gonna start here at the front of the home. So if you live on the lake, you know for a fact that the front is the lakeside. So we can call this the back or front, whichever, but this is the roadside. We'll go to the lakeside in just a second. We've got a full bathroom here in the front of the home for guests to use. This is the only bathroom here on the first floor, but we've got cultured marble countertops in there. We've got a cultured marble shower, but just a small little bathroom for everybody to use on the bottom floor so they don't have to go up in the bedroom area if they don't have to. We've got a beautiful island here in the middle. So you can see as we go through the house, there's different color themes throughout the house. So the kitchen area here, we've got a lot of grays and whites here on the cabinetry, but you can also see as we look kind of out into the living room area, we've got that green, that light green color there with the white accents. But if I walk around here, I'm gonna show you a couple of things in the kitchen that are really cool. They've got a big slide out pantry here, spice rack / pantry area for this kitchen. And then as we move across here, we've got shaker doors, we've got shaker panel doors here. And again, all of our houses come with custom cabinetry. So the homeowner gets to go in and select exactly what fit they want. You can see here, some homeowners want to go all the way to the ceiling with their cabinetry. Some homeowners elect to have some storage space up top. It's just from house to house. It varies from owner to owner, but we give them that option. We don't care which one you choose. We just want you to be happy with whatever you get to design. So as we move over here to the kitchen area, we've got a beautiful undermount sink right here that you can see that runs flush across with the countertops here. Another beautiful feature that this homeowner put into their design are the floating shelves that you see here. We have 3 on each side and they add a lot of character. They do match the vent hood that you can see over the stovetop area as we show you a pan view of the entire kitchen. As we go through the house, we do have vinyl plank flooring throughout. You'll see that throughout the entire video. So same vinyl plank upstairs and downstairs, but just absolutely adds a lot of contrast, but absolutely beautiful to go with this lake house here on Lake Cherokee. All right, so as we move out of the kitchen area, I wanted to stop right here for just a second and kind of point out something. You know, we talk a lot in our videos about allowance items and being able to customize the interior of a home. And this home in particular has a really unique look at this. You can see the pendant lights here. Typically we would put 3 to 4 pendant lights across an island this size, but they've chosen to only have 2. But you can see these are really unique and they really add to the character of the home. But we wanted to point out the fact that, again, those are allowance items that really the homeowner can create whatever they want, whatever mood or setting that they're going for inside the house. Those allowance items, those custom features like that really allow them to do that. Now, as we move over into the corner over here, there are 2 or 3 different features over here that are really, really cool about this home. First off, you can see this awesome piece right here, this china cabinet that we've got. You know, sometimes you call that maybe a wine cabinet, things like that, but it's a really cool feature, a really cool piece that they put in the corner here. But something that we don't have, I don't know that we have another house that has this, that I thought was really cool, is basically a stacked sliding barn doors. So there's a couple of things hidden behind here. Number one, you can see that we've got this set up for stackable washer and dryer if they want to put that in there. They're using it as storage right now. If we slide on over here, so this one will slide out of the way, and then we can come over here to the middle, move it out of the way, and we've got our hot water heater and our air conditioning unit, our HVAC unit there inside. So you can use this area for storage if need be, but then also I've got the third one over here in the corner I can slide over and I can access. So we've got easy access, but it really, for it being with this piece here kind of tucked in the corner, we've kind of got a limited space, but this is a unique way to utilize every bit of the space in the corner here. And just, again, absolutely beautiful selections on colors and make by the homeowner. Now, if we come here underneath the staircase, we've got a little small reading nook. Again, just a great job decorating and making this home their own, but we've got a reading nook underneath the corner here that flows us right over into the living area. So one of the things a lot of homeowners come in and ask us is when we start talking about the trim around their doors, around their windows, around the floors, a lot of our homeowners are going for the farmhouse look with the 1x4 around the doors and floors. So another option that we give is colonial trim. We can do that as well. We don't care. That's a custom item. We want you to be able to choose that. This particular homeowner is going to give us a really good look at what we consider colonial trim. It's got a little bit more intricacies to it, a little more grooves in there, some detail work on that. Now, one of the things that you cannot do here is sometimes we like to butt that trim and leave an overhang, or we like to butt it on top, things like that. We can't really do that with the colonial because, again, it's got a pattern to it that we want to make sure aligns and gives smooth lines as we're putting that up around the doors and windows. Now, if we slide over here just a little bit, I'm going to show you the window here. And another thing that a lot of customers will ask us about is we want you to choose on your sheetrock, are you going to do a squared off or a bullnose rounded trim with your sheetrock and your trim around the floors? This particular homeowner has chosen a bullnose. A lot of customers come in and they say, I don't even know what bullnosed is or rounded, what it looks like. So this is a bullnosed sheetrock trim. So now that we're done with the downstairs area, we've showed you the kitchen area, we've showed you the living area, and we're going to talk a little bit about the upstairs. Now, the upstairs is all of our bedrooms and a bathroom up there. But one of the really focal points of the home is this absolutely beautiful custom-made staircase that we've got. We've got steel railing, we've got steel cable inside. Again, those are things that a homeowner, you have the option to do these. Any homeowner that comes and builds with 1845 Barndominiums will have the option to do this. It's just one of those things that you tell us what you want, we'll go out and find it. You tell us what look you're going for, and we can have that installed in your home. So as we make our way upstairs, you can see it's an absolutely beautiful piece as we make our way up. And as we get to the top of the stairs here, we're going to be able to see what the homeowner has done here as far as the flooring, the layout up top, which is a custom layout that the homeowner has chosen. So as we get to the top here, the first thing that we can see is we have one of their guest bedrooms here. This is a smaller 10 by 10 that's used right now kind of as a playroom or a storage room here that they've chosen. There's no furniture in there as of right now. Now, as we start to make our way back around the rest of the upstairs or the second story, you can see we've got kind of a small space up here. It's only about 900 square foot on each level. So the house itself is 1,800 square foot, but we've only got 900 square foot to get those 3 bedrooms and a bathroom in. So we really utilize a lot of the space here. Found a really unique way to give them a linen closet here in the corner. We've got our second story mechanical closet here in the hallway. And then we've also got another full bathroom here. You can see we continue the cultured marble theme in here. We've got a cultured marble shower, full size. It's got a recess just ever so slightly here. It's got a little bit of a ledge there. But again, those cultured marble showers are custom designed by the homeowners to suit and fit whatever their floor plan is. So bedroom number 2 up here is absolutely amazing. This is what they call the bunk room. And it is aptly named because we have 4 bunks here, 2 sets of bunk beds for us to use. We've got stairs up through the middle, but this absolutely looks, it's got shiplap walls here on the interior, lined on the inside of the stairwell and the beds themselves. So now we're gonna move into the master bedroom. And as you can see in this room, we have a lot of natural light. This is the lake side of the house. So we've got beautiful French doors here that open up onto our second level patio. And you can see just windows everywhere, lots of light coming in. We've got a huge fixed window up top. One of the cool features in here is the vaulted ceiling. And you can see that there is a custom wrapped faux beam across the middle of the room here. That is a paint grade wrap beam. You can see that is not stained wood, that is painted wood. And they have kept the theme of the white trim throughout the home. They went with a more neutral color here in this room, but when you see the view from this room, it's absolutely beautiful. And I'm actually gonna take you out here and show you the view out on the patio. And it is absolutely gorgeous. So we've got a treated lumber deck, we've got treated lumber railing, and you can see, so the exterior colors that they've chosen here are a charcoal gray with red accents. They've even painted the post here. These wrap posts are red as well, but you can see the soffits. A lot of people ask me, what are porch soffits? So it is the underpinning underneath the porch that we see. Some people do ask if we can leave this exposed so that the steel can be exposed and whatnot, and we can do that. It is an option, but the majority of our homes, we are going to put these porch soffits up here to dress it up and make it look nice and neat. And you know, we are in Texas. We do have birds that like to nest in those little nooks and crannies up there, and so this can negate some of that. But again, just absolutely beautiful view here of Lake Cherokee out on this second deck. That's pretty much going to do it for our tour today. This is what we call the Cherokee Barndominium, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's out on Lake Cherokee in Henderson, Texas, between Henderson and Longview, Texas. All right, guys, we're going to wrap it up here today on the Barndo channel. Again, we're out here at Lake Cherokee between Henderson and Longview, and this is a barndominium that we have titled or labeled as the Cherokee. You've seen it before. We showed you some video and pictures of it being built during the construction phase, and we thought today would be a beautiful day to come out to the lake and show you a finished product here, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. The homeowners have done a great job of decorating this home and really turn it into a true lake home that belongs to them and customized by them. Now, if you have any questions or comments or anything that you'd like to see in a future video from us, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. We would also love for you to subscribe to our channel. If you like seeing these videos, we have a lot more coming. We're going to try to put these out every week so that you can see what we do here at 1845 Barndominiums. We would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Also, you can check us out on Facebook. We're on Instagram. We're also on TikTok. But be sure and go to our website, 1845barndominiums.com. If you are considering starting or looking at your dream home possibly, we would love to help you out, and we can help you get that process started. We have a tab on our website titled Request a Quote. You can click on that button and we will send you a form to fill out to get some information from you about your project and how we can help you get started. But anybody that would like to talk to us, website, any of those social media sites are easy ways to get in touch with us and reach out and see some of our homes and some of our works in progress. But we hope you enjoyed the video today. It's a beautiful day out on Lake Cherokee. Hope to see you next week.